all of this? I'm trying to grow it out, grow it nice and long so I have beautiful mermaid hair, okay? And in order to do that, if you have really coarse, fine, curly hair like I do, I brushed out the curls so you can't tell, but if you have really fine, coarse hair, oiling it weekly is a must, must, must. And I'm so excited that I have found a product that not only is a herbal hair growth like miracle, but it also is made producing absolutely zero waste. I'm talking about Vedic Botanicals. This is an incredible hair serum. Timeless Tresses, not only does it help prevent grays and help stimulate your hair follicle if you massage it into your scalp, but it promotes growth, it helps fix any split ends, it just adds so much delicious moisture to your hair, and I am so excited to give it a try. And guys, when I say zero waste, I mean absolutely zero waste. It is produced with solar power. Isn't that amazing? Solar power. This is a glass bottle that you could refill, and this label, this plastic label, is compostable. Isn't that amazing? Vedic Botanicals, all of their products are literally either reusable and compostable. Also, 100% vegan, 100% PETA certified, vegan, cruelty-free, compostable, produced with solar power. Like, it just doesn't get any better than this. So, Vedic Botanicals. And you're probably wondering, Vedic Botanicals, what is this word I keep here floating around? Vedic, Ayurveda. Yes, Vedic is short for Ayurveda, which is an Indian tradition of health that dates back 5,000 years. So they really believe in natural cures. So there's herbal blends and oils, and all of these things are in this amazing, amazing product, and I'm going to show you me using it. Fun tip, especially for curly hair, always rinse with cold water. Always rinse with cold water. Self-care, treat yourself. It's like self-care Saturday, self-care Sunday, whatever day of the week it is. You know what I've also been using this for? Just day to day. Just a really tiny little dot, like barely any oil for frizz, especially with curly hair. Because sometimes coconut oil and other kinds of vegan gels can make your hair look really crunchy or really oily. This does not. It doesn't make your hair look crunchy or oily. Like, I put this, like, it just looks incredibly shiny and beautiful. I cannot wait to put this mask on. And whenever you do a nice mask, I always recommend that you really focus on the scalp first, because the follicle is right here, and the more stimulated your follicle is, the more blood flows there and the more your hair grows. Oh, rose, borage seed oil, oh, coriander, rosemary. It smells so good, and everything's organic. Everything in here is 100% organic. You just can't, there's no other beauty product, hair serum, anything that is gonna be this pure. And the fact that it can stop your hair from going gray.
I just found mine today, grow something that has already going gray, and she's like early 30s, and I think that's amazing. Like, I'm like, I don't tell her about this.
Healthy hair, you just reverse age when you use vegan products. It's just amazing. And I'm just so amazed by Rachel, the girl who owns and created this product. I mean, creating a completely sustainable vegan product that creates absolutely no waste, that works amazingly well, is incredible. Oh my goodness. See, I need extra. This is where I need extra. we all have like that weird patch in our skull where we're like, just grow hair right here. I don't know if it's just my hair's really light right there. Cause like, it doesn't, you can't really tell unless I pull it up. So I don't know if it's just super light or like. Feels so good. It smells amazing. It smells so good. So what I'm gonna do is just tie this back and just leave this in my hair for at least 4 hours.